Mastering advanced vocabulary, building a strong lexical foundation. Our first word of the 27th day is 1. Hector, a bully or a blusterer. 2. Bully or to bluster. Talk to someone in a bullying way. She doesn't hector us about giving up things. It suddenly occurred to her that nowadays she wanted to hector a great deal. 2. Persiflage, light raillery or mockery, bantering talk, a frivolous or mildly contemptuous manner of treating any subject. There's a little too much persiflage around here, he said sternly. Forrester smiled, but not without anger, at the quiet persiflage of her manner. 3. Afterburn, a hot, spicy, or burning sensation that remains in the mouth after consumption of a food or beverage. B. A period of lingering anger, fear, bitterness, etc. that follows a painful or traumatic event. The afterburn of a hateful divorce. The good thing for our business is that digital has been on afterburners. 4. Threshold, the section of wood or stone that lies under a door. B. Entrance, the place or point of beginning. C. The point or level at which a physical or mental effect begins to be produced. He didn't dare cross the threshold. She was on the threshold of a dazzling career. 5. Tarry, to delay, stay, or wait. To wait for. Noun, a short stay, a sojourn. B. Like or covered with tar. It was a strange blue-black and looked like a soft, tarry glue. She could tarry a bit and not get home until 4. 6. Reconnoiter, to make an inspection or observation. B. Make a military observation of a region. An expedition reconnoitered the coast to find out the exact location of enemy forces. They were sent ahead to reconnoiter. C. To examine or survey a region or area for engineering, geological, or other purposes. 7. Bedizen, to dress or adorn gaudily. She was bedizened in a sequined gown and an enormous feathered headpiece. To my dismay, the new PR team bedizened our website with animated images and text. 8. Glows, to minimize or to explain away. Make excuses for. B. To use flattery. C. To shine brightly. Noun. 1. A comment. 2. Flattery. 3. For pretense. One marked aspect of recent devil fiction is the tendency to gloss over his sins and to humanize him. You know as well as I that it does not gloss a poor book, nor pass over defects in silence. A person, especially a man, who is regarded as pitifully ineffectual, timid, or submissive. He's a nebbish. No money, no prestige, no future. 9. Nebbish, a timid, meek, or ineffectual person. He wanted to prove that he was a character actor, not just some nebbish kid. B. Well-designed, clever. A palm-top computer with many natty features. 10A. Natty, smart and fashionable, spruce, a natty white uniform. He's quite a natty dresser. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Remember, a word a day keeps your eloquence at play. Please subscribe and click the notification button.